How to fix ear calling speaker not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, then scroll down to hearing section and click on hearing device. Now here you can see the option hearing aid compatibility. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, then go back to your home screen and swipe down to your control center. If you turn on your Bluetooth, then turn it off. After turning off your Bluetooth, then go back and open settings and click on accessibility. Now physical and motor section, you can see the option touch. Now click on touch and then scroll down in last and click on call audio routing. If you choose Bluetooth headset and speaker, then you can select only automatic. After that, go back to your home screen and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then swipe this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.